Hello everyone, I'm Anuj Jaggi and I'm a legal intern with Lexis and Company, and the topic for today's video presentation is the Child and Adolescent Labor Prohibition and Regulation Act. So the child labor is a concrete manifestation of violations of a range of rights of children and is recognized as a serious social problem in India. Working children are denied their right to survival and development, education, and play an adequate standard of living opportunity for developing personality, talents, mental and physical abilities, etc. Even though there is increase in the enrollment of children in the elementary schools and increase in literacy rates, child labor continues to be a significant phenomenon in India. So, as per the Article 24 of the Constitution, no child below the age of 14 years is to be employed in any factory, mine, or any hazardous employment. Further, Article 39 requires the states to direct its policy towards ensuring that they are not forced by economic necessity to enter avocations unsuited to their age or strength. Recently, with the insertion of Article 21A, the state has been entrusted with the task of providing free and compulsory education to all the children in the age group of 6 to 14 years. So, consistent with the constitutional provisions, Child Labor Prohibition and Regulation Act of 1986 was enacted, and further government in 2016 amended the Child Labor Prohibition and Regulation Act, which came into force with effect from 1st September 2016. So after the amendment of the Child Labor Prohibition and Regulation Act, it was renamed as the Child Adolescent Labor Prohibition and Regulation Act of 1986. The Act regulates employment of adolescents in non-hazardous occupations and processes. In this lesson, students will be the Child and Adolescent Labor Prohibition and Regulation Act of 1986 actually prohibits employment of children below 14 years in hazardous occupations and processes, and regulates the working conditions in other employments. So this act was enacted to prohibit the engagement of children in all occupations and to prohibit the engagement of adolescents in hazardous occupations and processes and the matters connected therewith or incidental thereto. It extends to whole of India, and it prohibits employment of children in all occupation and processes to facilitate their enrollment in schools in view of the right of children to free and compulsory education Act of 2009, and also prohibits employment of adolescents in hazardous occupations and processes. So some of the key definitions which are given under Section 2 of the Act are, for example, adolescent, which means a person who has completed his 14th year of age but has not completed his 18th year of age. And under this Act, child means a person who has not completed his 14th year of age or such age as may be specified in the Right of Children to Free and Compulsory Education Act of 2009. And appropriate government under Section 2 is defined as in relation to an establishment under the control of the central government or a railway administration or a major port or a mine or oil field. In the central government and in all other cases, the state government will take charge. So lastly, one of the key definition is workshop, and workshop means any premises wherein any industrial process is carried on, but does not include any premises to which the provision of Section 67 of the Factories Act of 1948 for the time being is applicable. So further, another one is one last definition under the key definition under Section 2 is day means, which is a period of 24 hours beginning at midnight. So I'll be talking about the act further in the second part of the video, and I'll explain it briefly in the second part. So thank you everyone.